My people, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Today, I want to talk on inventory management system, an Z automated app for inventory management system. Now, I have a company called Premise Kiddies, and I developed this for the organization. Now, this is the dashboard of the application. I have purchase, I have sales, stock open, stock closing, and the inventory. So now when I go to the market and I purchase some goods or items, I have to, before I stock it into my shop, I have to what? I have to stock them in after purchase. And at this level, that is where I am going to record each items one after the other. Then the number of quantity each items has I bought, the rate at which I bought it, and then the price that the system will automatically generate the total amount of price I bought each I bought them. I enter the quantity, I enter the rate, the price, and the item description. Then the system will automatically generate item code, or you can allow the system to generate the item code or to generate it by yourself. Then the date the items is purchased will be written. The invoice number will also be written, captured in the purchase activity or stocking page. Now, we now have to the stock opening page now. The stock opening page. Okay, at the stock in, I have a dashboard. Those are the navigation. Dashboard, stock open, sales, stock close, inventory, and then we also have a navigation button. Now the items may be more. The navigation button, you can see it. Navigate down or up, down or up. Page navigate down, can navigate down, can see it, can navigate down till I reach the end of, so this is the end. Navigate up, it will take me to the beginning of the sheet. So now let's go back to stock opening sheet. Stock opening sheet. Now having stock in the items in this place, now the stock opening, the only thing I want to enter is the selling rate, selling price, per item. The system will automatically fetch the item code, item description, the quantity and the purchase price. Now the only thing I want to do is to do what? To enter the selling price, for per quantity, selling price per quantity. So now when I enter the selling price per quantity, the system will automatically generate the total selling price for the quantity, the total number of quantity of the items purchased. So now I also have the navigation button here. So that is that. Then After that one, I go to sales sheet. Now sales sheet, here we are going to, by the time each of the items is being what? Is being sold, we are going to record the details, enter the what? The date at which it is being sold, the customer name, the contact address, customer contact address, then the invoice you are giving out, the what? The number of that invoice. Now the system will automatically, now you can load, the system will automatically load the item code. So now the items that the person is purchasing, the item that customer is purchasing, you will select the code here. You are going to select the code. You can check that items. Now once you select the items, the automatically the what? The system will automatically fetch the items description. It will fetch the item description. Then here you enter the what? The quantity the customer is purchasing. Now the purchase price will automatically will be displayed, will be fetched from the previous page. Now discount, are you willing to give discount to the customer? Now based on the negotiation, so Paul and Peter ẹ ń sùn àbí? Now based on the negotiation, you can what? You can give discount to your customer. Now enter the discount here. Now the actual selling price will be here. If a discount is entered, then the selling price will what? Will now be actual price minus the discount will give us the what? The selling price. Now the purchase amount, base is the system is going to automatically multiply the quantity the customer is buying by the what? By the selling price. By the selling price. So now we now have, now this purchase price is the amount, that number of quantity the customer is buying was purchased. The amount, the total quantity that the customer is buying was purchased. Now the selling price, that's the total amount now that the customer is now paying, that the customer is paying. So that is for that. Then we also have our what? Our navigation buttons. Navigations buttons. So let's go to the stock closing. Stock closing. Now this stock closing, as the customer is buying the goods, the stock closing will automatically be adding the what? The quantity, number of the quantity that was being purchased. For example, let's take phone. For example, let's go to the sales where phone was purchased here. Now we have the first place, we have four quantity. We have four quantity. Then we also have another four quantity. So now in the stock closing, you can now see now it will add the quantity that was purchased. So at this place, you are not expected to edit or to touch anything. You are not expected to touch anything. At this stock closing page, you are not expected to touch anything. It has been automated. So the system will automatically what? Generate the report. This one is more or less like a report or a summary page of what has been generated. So we have the item code, we have the item description, the quantity, total quantity that was sold, by the what? By the that was sold in for in each of the items. Then we also have a purchase amount, that is the total amount that those number of quantity that was sold was purchased. Then we also have the total selling price. So now let's now go to the inventory. Inventory now here is the one that will now show us the number of quantity purchased, the total number of quantities sold, the closed quantity, that is the remaining quantity that are unsold, that was left unsold. Den the profit made, if it is profit, it will calculate the total profit. If that it is a loss that the person is making on that particular items, it will also calculate the loss. So that is for that, and it is very very simple to operate. So you can use this app now, this Excel automated app, for your business. You can use it for your business, and if you need it, you can please contact me contact me on my WhatsApp number 07036785422. So you contact me on WhatsApp on that number. Once again, 07036785422. You can also contact me on my email, adesogbe@gmail.com, adesogbe@gmail.com. So if you need any, or if you need it, contact me, and once you make the necessary arrangements, I will forward the app to you. So thank you and God bless you.